Hey, do I need a grill that connects to Wi-Fi? They're all the rage. I see them all over the place. Let's talk about it. Hey, it's Jeff with BBQPlus, and I'm going to spend a few minutes answering a question that I'm hearing from more and more people. The question is, do I need a grill that has Wi-Fi built into it? More and more you're seeing grills that are available that have Wi-Fi built into them. Now that means that you have an app that runs on your phone, and with that app on your phone, you connect to your grill. Your grill connects to your home network of Wi-Fi, and then your phone has an app that connects into that same device. So that means that you can not only see what the temperatures are, but you can change them remotely from the app that runs on your phone. Now that sounds great. Hey, I can go wherever I want and make sure that I can know what's going on with my grill and I can change it if I need to. Yeah, maybe that's not a bad idea in some instances, but I don't think there are very many. Now most pellet grills just have a simple knob on there where you set the temperature for what you want to have. The grill takes care of making sure that that temperature stays steady. So that means I can head off to the grocery store, I can do some errands, I can mow my lawn, whatever the case might be. Maybe go over to the neighbors and visit with them for a while on a Saturday afternoon while you've got some great barbecue going. How often when you're doing any of those things do you need to change the temperature? Now let's keep changing the temperature separate from monitoring the temperature. I am wholeheartedly in favor of monitoring the temperature of what's going on in your grill. And that's why I use one of these guys. It's a Wi-Fi based thermometer that I can use multiple probes. I can have one on the grill grate to tell me what the temperature is, and I can have others that are inserted into the meat, whether it's my brisket, whether it's a pork shoulder, whatever I happen to be cooking, and I can know exactly what the internal temperature of that meat is. That's really important, especially in cases where maybe on a pork shoulder or a brisket, you're going to wrap it when it reaches a certain temperature. So you need to know what's going on with that meat, and you need to know what temperature it is. So that's where something like this that is a Wi-Fi based thermometer and an app that runs on your phone is really key in letting you know what's going on inside there. Personally, I don't really think that there are too many instances where I would need to change the temperature of my grill remotely. Generally, there's somebody probably going to be at home that if I need to, I can have them change that temperature. Or I maybe just need to plan ahead a little bit. If I know that at 3 hours into my cook, I'm going to change from 200 degrees to 275. And I think that's pretty easy to do. As far as a Wi-Fi based grill, I don't find that much use for it. I've got one of those. I've got a little Daniel Boone, which is a Green Mountain, kind of a small grill. And that one's got the Wi-Fi capabilities. I've connected it, I've played around with it, and frankly, I really don't use it that often. I guess it doesn't hurt to have a Wi-Fi based grill, but I don't know that I would spend the extra money for that. I would instead invest in something like this that tells you exactly what the temperature of your ribs, of your burgers, your pork chops, your brisket, whatever it is, make sure that you know what that is. If you want to find out a little bit more information about different thermometers, I've got a video about that, and it looks like that right up there. And I'll put the link to it down in the comments and the description below this video. Hopefully this helps you to make some better barbecue and maybe answer some of those questions of, do I need Wi-Fi in my grill? It's up to you to decide. I've got a grill with a Wi-Fi built into it, and aside from setting it up for the first time and playing with it a little bit, I really haven't used it. Maybe you're a little bit different and you would find some use for it, but if it's up to me, I wouldn't throw the extra money towards that. Hopefully this is beneficial information for you. If you like what we're doing and talking about barbecue, I'd sure love it if you would subscribe and then turn on the notification bell so that you know when we're putting out new content. I try to do that once a week. If you'd give this a like, that tells YouTube that, hey, this guy maybe has some good information out there, and they'll promote me a little bit more, they'll make my videos a little bit more visible, and that's beneficial for me, plus other folks that might be able to watch these. So you know what time it is. Time to put your thinking cap on and figure out what you're going to cook in your backyard this weekend. Hope it tastes great. And thanks for watching.